A lot of people spend their entire lives buying liabilities and wondering why they can't get ahead. They ask, can I afford this? Instead of, will this pay me back? What's my return on this? Now, how do you know the difference between an asset and liability? I'll break it down in the most common cases that you probably can relate to. Your car, liability, okay? Loses value immediately, has insurance, which is bullshit, gas, maintenance, it happens to it all the time. Your house you live in, liability. I know this is very controversial, but it's true. You have a mortgage, property tax, insurance, repairs, it doesn't generate income. The next one, a course that teaches you a skill, asset, because it pays you back through increased income because you've invested in your skills. A rental property, an asset. It generates monthly income. A designer handbag, sadly a liability, okay? Loses value over time, doesn't generate any income. Equipment for your business, that is an asset if it helps you generate more revenue. It's a liability if you don't use it and just sits there. So when I started filtering all my purchases through that, is this an asset or a liability? My wealth compounded because I realized, I was like, my money, if I don't put into either of these things, actually is just a liability. Money sitting in the bank, it's just deteriorating over time. So my money actually can become a liability if I don't do something with it. And that's when I really started learning how to invest in things that create money, in skills that create money, in learning that creates money, and in assets for my business that create money.